with Kyla and Adore. My partners yan. Si Kyla pipili ng...
Arnel.
Kyla and Arnel.
Okay, so si Kyla pipili ng question, siya na magtatanong. Yan, siya kayo sa gitna.
Ayan.
Tapos,
Kyla, ikaw magtatanong kay Arnel.
so ito yung tanong. Saan, Tanong. Sa iyong palagay, what is your lucky color and why?
Magandahan ang sagot ito, ha?
Well, you know, the most important part of my body is my
Hindi,
head.
ano ba?
Color nga, color!
Favorite color?
I have the right answer, you have the wrong question.
Ay! Okay! Jonalyn! Jonalyn and Adore! Mali naman pala si Kyla eh. Mali naman. Attention, Arnel. Arnel, pasensya. Memoryo ko
Ano
yun
yung gagawin natin pag sinadala ng sagot? You have the wrong question.
Okay.
Okay, game.
Okay. Sa mga 5 senses, alin dito sa tingin mo ang pinaka-importante and why?
I have always believed that an opinion will never be heard and respected unless there's someone who's willing to stand up and fight for them. So going back to your question, you see, when I was a little girl, my mother always taught me never to talk to strangers. And since I do not know you that well, I will not answer your question.
Thank you very much.
Mari Chris! Masusuplada nito mga contestant natin.
Uy, meron na rin tayong sasagot. Alam yung
Hindi tayo
sagot.
masyadong close.
Okay, go.
Kung papipiliin ka, alin dito ang gusto mong maging? Ibon o isda and why?
I don't understand, can you translate it?
I love.
Hindi pala nakakaintindi ng Tagalog.
If you were to choose between bird and the fish, what would you choose and why? Mahirap yun, ah.
Well, I know that question is very hard and mind-boggling.
Huh?
But bear in mind that all of my answers will come from my brain down to the tactless tip of my mouth. When I was young, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that the more I speak, the more I might commit mistake. So I choose not to answer your stupid question. Thank you.
Nahihirapan na ako mag-English. Hindi naman pala yung sasagot.
Wala na sumagot? Oh my gosh!
Bakit ganun? Wala siya mabagot sa tanong. Favorite color lang naman. Namimili
Ano
lang.
ba, mamimili lang naman, ibon o isda? Hazel!
Madam, kung ikaw ay magiging isang tunay na babae, ano ang unang-una mong gagawin and why?
Ay!
Interpreter.
Ano daw yun? Kailangan interpreter?
Interpreter.
Pakiulit po yung tanong.
Kung ikaw ay magiging isang tunay na babae, ano ang unang-una mong gagawin and why?
Uy pala.
Kung siya raw ay magiging tunay na babae, ang una niyang gagawin ay kakain ng isang piling na saging.
But thank you.
Whereas kapag hindi siya makakakain ng saging. Okay. Juliana Patil.
Last but not the least,
Oh,
the ladies.
Oh,
Okay, your question is,
Yes.
what is the essence of a stand-up comedian and why?
Well, I was born in Spain, so it's so hard for me to answer the Tagalog. I need an interpreter, please.
Interpreter na naman. Ano ba itong mga ito? Hindi mga nakakaintindi. Okay.
Buenas noches. Buenos días.
Buenos dias.
La cuestionar.
What is the essence of a stand-up comedian and why?
Baboya. Esensya komedyana para dabiana. Que es primera maravillosa y segundo, la paz, la honor y comunicación importante, maravillosa y segundo y fundamental, en la paz y comedia. Pachoy.
No split.
The essence of being a stand-up comedian is to bring laughter to everybody because in the end, laughter is indeed the best medicine. Gracias.
Gracias.
Noche buenas.
Gracias.
Maraming salamat sa April 3 and 4. April 3 sa
Circle Video.
Thank you for Clowns.
Quezon Avenue.
Thank you so much.
Watch
We had
them.
so much fun. Grabe na po. Ito na, go.
Thank
Ayan
you.
po, on April